Hi, hello guys, welcome to Passion Jobs Tip. Today video is about online BSc degree and diploma program which is offered by IIT Madras. So before going to discuss about this detailed version of this online degree, do subscribe to our channel Passion Jobs Tip. Do like and share your valuable thoughts and comments in the comment section, which will be useful for us in the upcoming videos. So we can have a introduction for this online program. So coming to the introduction, it is offered by IIT Madras, already known one. And qualification for this online degree is qualification is 12th, and those who are pursuing any degree also can apply for this, and those who are working professionals also can apply for this online degree. And this is especially for data science stream. So no age criteria for this online degree, anyone can apply and learn. And then we will in upcoming slides we are going to discuss about the applying procedures and all. So watch the video till at the end. So now we will move into the video. And coming to the IIT Madras, this is brochure which is shared by IIT Madras. So here they shared various details about IIT Madras. And coming to this flowchart, in 2001 they introduced NPTEL program, and 2014 NPTEL online courses, 2017 via MOOC, and then in 2020 they introduced online degree. So this is the improvement for especially for non-IITians, which will be very useful for non-IITians. And this is the overall structure about the course. There are 3 levels in our online degree program. To get a BSc degree in programming and data science from IIT Madras, a learner has to successfully complete all the 3 levels. So this is the mandatory one. You have to complete these 3 levels is the mandatory one. So basic level is foundation level, and second one is diploma level, and third one is degree level. So now this is the flow chart they provided. Regular apply entry. So through this they will give you assignments and exams. So after completing the assignments and exams, when you qualify through this exam, they will provide you foundation level certificate. So you can come out when you feel it is enough for you, means you can come out with foundation certificate. So this is 8 courses in the foundation certificate, 8 months and 3 years. So total cost of this course is 32,000. An online diploma entry, so 2 levels. So once you are getting you want to be degree level, means you want to enter through BSc degree. So after foundation level you can exit, and now if you want diploma level, means directly you can join to the diploma level, second level. So diploma only entry apply, qualifier exams. Once you qualified, you can get into diploma level. 12 courses are there, 12 months. So which is 3 years. The cost of this course is 1,10,000. So you can exit with diploma in programming and diploma in data science from IIT Madras. So this is the final level. You want degree level, means 11 courses are there, 12 months, 3 years. The total cost of this degree level is 1 lakh. Exit with BSc degree in programming and data science. This is a basic structure. So total courses are 31 courses. Complete time, it means 3 to 6 years total they are giving completing time, because it is online, no? So the time increased. And then fees based on course structures, they already provided for every level, diploma level, degree level and foundation level. 12 courses and online courses and assignments, 12 weeks for coursework for each course. So for each course they are providing 12 weeks. Quizzes and exams, 3 quizzes and 1 end term exam for each course in person and individuated. So for every courses they are giving 3 quizzes and 1 end term exam. And this is the term structure. They are dividing every year into 3 terms: January term, May term and September term. In that term, after learning, a learner may register for a course only if they have already successfully completed the prerequisites for that course. So which means before entering into diploma level you should complete the foundation level, and before entering into the degree level you should complete all the exams and quizzes and qualify from the diploma level. This is the basic criteria. And this is the course structure. So in the course structure, this is the regular term. They are having 4 months. In the 4 months, 12 weeks of coursework. So when you are entering through registering and pay, quiz 1, quiz 2, quiz 3. After completing 3 quizzes, which means and along with assignments also, along with quizzes, they will give you assignments also. So after completing these 3 steps, you have to enter into the end term exams. So after clearing that, you will get the final degree level, which means it depend upon course foundation level or degree level or diploma level. And here on for online assignments, they will give you one assignment for every week. So this is a basic norms. It may increase but it will not decrease. So this is the end term exam. At the end term exam, they will provide you 3 hours of time for completing the exam. And to be eligible to write the end term exam, out of 100, 40 marks for quizzes and assignments. So out of 40, you should score maximum marks. And then after 40, almost over for quizzes and assignments, and come remaining 60% for end term exam. So based on the average between these two, they will provide you degree, and mark details are in the further slides. So this is the pass criteria for each course. So total course score is 40% for average quiz score and 60% for end term score. So out of the score, out of 100, coming to the 100, out of 100, for total course score, which means quizzes and average assignments, based on that, the mark should be greater than or equal to 50. And based on end term exam score, it should be greater than or equal to 40. This is the basic criteria to pass the exam, and this is the grades they will provide you after getting marks. The learners who don't pass a course means you want to repeat the course again. And those who want to repeat the course, they want to register from the first and pay the fees from the first, and again they want to complete the quizzes and assignments from the first time itself, like whatever you did already. And coming to the exam cities, they will provide you 3 options. Based on that, you should select the exam options. And fee structure already they have provided. And foundation course, fee per credit for foundation course, they discussed everything about the fee structure. And it will vary for based on categories: general category, OBC, EWS, and person with disability, and SC/ST. So based on that, it will vary. So these are the courses they are offering for foundation level. So mathematics for data science 1, 2, computational thinking, programming, Python. So various courses are there. And coming to the diploma level, they are providing 2 courses: diploma in programming from IIT Madras, diploma in data science from IIT Madras. People can exit with any one diploma degree or any both diploma courses. And after completing both diploma and the foundation level, you will get the degree level course. And these are the courses in diploma programming. So coming to this third level, when you complete all those things, you will enter into the degree level, and these are the courses in the degree level. So Allied Area Core 1, Allied Area Core 2, various courses are there. And this is the eligibility criteria to apply. The candidate must have studied Maths and English in class 10th. They should clear class 12th or equivalent. And qualifying criteria is currently enrolled, previously enrolled any bachelor's degree program, which means already you completed any degree or pursuing any degree also you can apply. And through distance mode, anything you can apply. And those who are studying diploma also can apply. So completed CA or completed AMIE, so anyone can apply. And this is the important one, and I will provide you the link for applying in the description box. An application close on 15th September 10 a.m. Weekly release of term 1 qualifiers content starts. And qualifier exam hall ticket only for those who get minimum required marks in the assignments, so which will be November 2. And qualifier exam only for those with to hall ticket. So they are qualifying into various level. So weekly release for term 1 qualifier courses content starts, which means they will provide you assignments. Once those who got qualified marks in assignments, they will provide you hall ticket. And after qualifying exams, that assignments, they will provide another hall ticket for qualifier exam. So number 1, registration. So registration start from 11th December 2022, 3rd January 2021, and foundation level batch starts on 4th January 2001. And this is the mandatory one. I will provide you the applying link in the description box. Make use of it, and I hope this video is useful for you. When you want other content on or any other discussion, share in the comment. We will discuss further. So do like and subscribe to our channel, Passion Jobs Tube. Thank you. Bye.